Mr. Das. I mean, I just felt that one of the most influential and resourceful person you will be, because you will be having so much of data, particularly of the rural India. Before I come to our concluding remark, Dr. S.K. Sarma, Principal Secretary, who will be giving concluding remarks, I have actually encroached on his job. So I just wanted to make some comments and then go. In morning when I was listening to Chief Minister, and he talked about next level of financial inclusion, I was really happy. Like, we are not talking about access to finance. We are not talking about zero balance account and all that. We are talking something valuable and something which will create wealth. Because I always felt that when we talk about poor, why would we talk zero balance account? Why would we say excess? Because poor don't think that way. They want to create wealth and value. And if we talk about excess, zero balance account, they are not going to come. And I just would like to share my experience of how did we started bank and how we went into technology and all. I've started a Mandeshi Mahila bank. And after starting the bank, I saw that women were not coming to the bank. So I went to Weekly Heart and women who were doing business, and I said that, why didn't you come to the bank? This bank is providing all the facility. So they said that, no, we don't have time to come to your bank. So I said that, okay, not for saving, but at least for loan, why didn't you come? And they said, we don't want even loan from your bank. And then they pointed out a finger to a money lender saying that we do banking with this person. And so I felt that they need financial literacy because they don't know how much interest they are paying to money lender. And I was trying to advise them. Before I do that, I was so happy she stopped me. And she said that, I know how I'm paying very high interest to money lender. There's no need that you should tell me. Why I'm paying it? Because if I go to bank gives papers. They take away my whole day. If I go to money lender, they give me cash. So the first thing was, which I learned from her, is to understand that her time is valuable, create a product in such a way that it matches her. Second, she said that if I want to take a loan in the morning and if I want to repay in evening, money lender does that, your bank doesn't do that. Second learning was, bankers need to innovate. Bankers need to understand the cash flows of poor also, not only rich. Because bankers always create EMIs for repayment. They don't think the way a village woman or a woman who is doing a business on the street, how she operates. Then she tells me that I know that when next time I need loan, if moneylender says yes, he does give me. Banks, if they say yes, they may give, they may not give. So the third lesson for me was that, you know, they have become trustworthy, and why not bank? So these questions actually forced us to design a very different product. Today, Mandeshi provides loan to these women which are on daily basis. We do daily savings, daily repayment, daily savings, weekly repayment. So what I feel is that if we really want to do financial inclusion, I know if you Google, there would be so much technology companies, so many things come up. But the two things are key. One is a credit product. Design a product which is helpful to poor instead of, you designing. Understand their cash flow and design the product. Second is delivery, which Mr. Behre also talked about, that you provide doorstep banking, which Mr. Silla also talked, that banks will have to go to people. People do not have to come to the bank. So these two things. And the last thing which I really would like to say is that we talked about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. And in morning that Yojana was discussed. And I feel the real beauty of that Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is that it has component of overdraft. I tell you, that is such a powerful thing. And if we don't use it, it will be our lazy banking that we don't use it. And if we want to use it, I would say that the poor people can maximum do more than one transaction a day. They will use the overdraft. They will repay your money if they are sure that this overdraft facility is going to continue. But we will have to go to them. Otherwise, they are not going to come to us. So even with Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, if bankers don't go to poor people, it will, I mean, if we really want to make it successful, we have to go to them. And at end, I would say that, you know, many times we talk of financial literacy, digital literacy, people, we need to teach people. I just want to end that these cards are not ATM cards, electronic passbook, which actually Reserve Bank was not allowing a smart card at that time. At that time, Mandeshi started this electronic passbook in 2002. Women have been using it. These women have never been to the school, but they know. And they know the security part of that also, because they are the people who have been cheated most. So they know very well. So I just want to be very humble that I have learned all this banking from these rural women, poor people. If we listen to them, I think we will really do a financial, we will come to next phase of financial inclusion. So thank you for providing me this an opportunity to coordinate the panel. And now I come to Dr. Sharma, Principal Secretary, Cooperative Department, Maharashtra Government. And Dr. Sharma, I'm little bit also getting an extra thing because we are myself and Mr. Behre are coming from cooperative banking sector. And I do agree that cooperative banks do have a lot of significant role, particularly a significant role in Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana and direct benefit transfer. If cooperative banks get an opportunity, that would be a great achievement for not only that banking sector, but particularly for people also. So I would request Dr. Sharma to actually advise the auditorium. And also, I'm really grateful to get this opportunity to request Principal Secretary to advise.